Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the new 2-inch Foxwood cordless window blind. This is the white color. It is by Better Homes and Gardens. So you know that when they have a corded window blind with a cord, it is quite dangerous for the children. If you have children at home, some of the children got tangled within those rope type, and they somehow they got tangled and then got strained with on their neck or something, and then end up dying. So this is the new cordless system. So let's go ahead and get this. I only got one of this to test out for you guys to see, and if I like it, I might go back there and buy some more. This is from Walmart. So it fits 45.75 inch to 46.5 inch window openings.
Yeah, so you can see the light system,
cord,
it is kind of
matching
different
balance
design.
and mounting hardware included.
And I
so
believe on the back it has a zipper. Yep. So on the back it has
Walmart.
a zipper for you to zip it all the way down.
Certified
to
best
your
for kids.
shoes faster and easier.
So all you need to do is just cordless lift. You don't need to pull a string or on the rope or anything. So which is awesome. The tools here you require is a level, pencil, drill, and measuring tape, and also a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, here's the instruction, and then also the style, and then the quality. So hopefully I have my old one already. I just pop this in. So let's go ahead and then dig in and then open this up. So on the bottom, come with this installation hardware. Let's see what's inside here. I gotta cut this open. So this one is for the midsection. Okay. Just to like a U shape to hold it, so your blind won't be sagging down. So if you have a longer blind, you tend to sag down in the middle. So this would be a good support for that. And come with this plastic clip, and then the screws, and then two of the mounting brackets for left and right hand side. One, two, three. Three of this for the trim. And this bracket, you could open this up and then slide your blind in there, and then lock into its place with this clip right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and then try to mount this. Hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like this video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, and drop in your comments on below. And hopefully I can include how it works on this blind after I installed it. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.